Hi there, Paul with another video here. I'm gonna be changing the shifter pedal today. This is a GNS racing pedal. That was pretty cheap online. The reason I got it is because it had the green and black, which matches my bike, and this will be on Kawasaki 250f. So stay with me and I'll show you guys how to do that. So you have only one bolt in this whole mechanism, and all you're gonna need is a 8mm wrench for this bolt right here. Now to take it off, the reason you need a wrench is because it's easier access from this side. You can do it with the socket from the bottom, but you might have to remove the shield or go at an angle and might strip it. So I just decided to use a wrench. And you're gonna have to loosen this bolt right here and slide off the pedal. But before doing that, I would mark or see where the pedal stands, so you put the other one exactly the same. Now it looks like there's a little dot on it right there, some kind of dot on an indent right there. Hold on one second. That little dot looks like it lines up with the groove, so I would assume that's the way it's gonna go back on. So I got the bolt loose. So it looks like you have to take the bolt completely out because there's a little groove in there that doesn't let it slide out. So you have to unscrew the bolt completely. And then that way you can slide the whole pedal off. And you can't really see in there, but there's a groove that the bolt sits in on the other side, so that it doesn't slide off. Okay, so here are the pedals side by side. So it does look like they match pretty evenly, I'd say. Yep, length, width. There you go. Next step, I'm gonna take this bolt out. I'm gonna throw some gasket maker on it just so it doesn't fall off when riding, because these things do vibrate, so you don't want it to fall off while riding on a trail. And then I'm gonna install it on just the way I took it off. Now I got the pedal on, and I double checked to make sure that this lines up just as I took it off. I made a little mark right there on the first tooth on the pedal to match with the first groove on the little gear. So I put it back just how it was from factory, and then now I gotta put the bolt back on and then throw some of this on gasket maker and then bolt it back up. So there it goes, guys. It's on and it's ready to go. It is pretty solid. Yeah, I like it. I kind of matched it to my bike. There's the green, the white, and black. I wanted to throw some green around here because there's some blue parts here, blue there. I want a little bit of green to kind of mismatch it. Thank you for watching again, and I hope you guys like the video, and subscribe for more tutorials, for more bike videos, and so on. Have a great day.